Clean cooking is an emerging sector in Ethiopia. People are still using three-stone fires to actually cook their food. The transition to clean cooking is not only necessary, it's an opportunity. It's a chance for enterprises to actually grow, innovate, and make a real impact in the sector.
It is about more than just stoves.
It is also market growth.
A real change requires products on shelves, it requires ideas to be exchanged between enterprises, and it also requires financial products that can support growth of the enterprises. This is the core principle of the entrepreneurial ecosystem that we created through the SEE Clean Cooking program, where we support enterprises to thrive in the sector that they work in.
As an entrepreneur, working in this clean cooking sector is very interesting. We are delivering good quality, we are delivering good price, we are delivering energy efficient product, we are delivering even environmental friendly product.
We support the companies in the sector mainly through result-based financing, where we subsidize products that go into the market. In addition to that, we also provide business development support to the enterprises, where the enterprises get a one-to-one coaching from mentors, as well as a training providing a company to learn how to write proposals to engage with financial institutions.
This program is very supportive for us. In our country, there is a devaluation and the raw material purchase is very high. This fund supports us to improve our innovation to the next step.
We collaborate with the Ethiopian Clean Cooking Alliance for sustainable growth of the market. We have been reaching out to different stakeholders like the private sector, NGOs, the government.
One of the main challenges of promoting energy efficient technologies is a very low awareness level in the country. So I really advise to focus on promoting energy efficiency and conservation. It's important for the economic benefit of the customers. The government of Ethiopia is committed to promote clean cooking technology.
Clean cooking is not only about new products.
It's not only about policy.
It's about a market that thrives and the people that actually make it happen.